Imagine a roof that does more than protect. It powers your home. At American Home Contractors, we're proud to deliver the Tesla Solar Roof, a breakthrough in sustainable living. Our certified team handles every step of the installation process with precision and care. Each solar tile is designed for lasting durability, maximum efficiency, and sleek, modern appeal, transforming your home into a hub of clean energy. The future of energy is here. Let American Home Contractors build it for you. To get a free and quick Tesla Solar Roof quote, use our cost calculator. Click the link in the description. American Home Contractors, installing peace of mind since 1986.